Hey guys, it's me, Quite Crafty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some DIY room decor. Some of it is very boho themed, so just giving you a little heads up. And if you guys are new to my channel, I'm Quite Crafty. I make lots of DIY videos like these, as well as some art videos. So if you are interested, consider subscribing to join the Quiet family. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first DIY is a decorative box. What you will need is a shoebox. I'm using a size 8 in women's, some acrylic paint, some paintbrushes, as well as a palette. So first you're going to start by taking your box and you're going to paint it your base color. Mine is going to be painted black. And once you do that, you're going to start putting paints on your palette as well as mixing any colors. I'm going to be mixing a pastel blue with some of my blue and white. So I'm going to take the box and I'm going to grab an angled brush and I'm going to start painting some branches. Now I'm going to take a round brush and I'm going to start painting some petals. So I'm going to just paint 5 petals for each flower. And once I finish painting the flowers, I'm going to go in with some dark blue and start painting the center. Here I finished painting the front and I'm going to finish painting the other sides. The second DIY is a coaster, so what you'll need is some twine, a hot glue gun as well as some hot glue, and some scissors. You're going to take your twine and you're going to unravel it. You're going to need 3 strands. As you can see here, once you finish getting enough twine, you're going to grab your scissors and you're going to cut it off. So once you get 3 strands of twine, you're going to tie it off at the top. Once you finish tying the knot at the top, you're going to start braiding your twine. When you get to the bottom of your twine, you're going to tie a knot as you did at the top. If you have any excess twine, you can take your scissors and cut it as close to the knot as possible. To form your coaster, you're going to take a hot glue gun and you're going to glue the top knot. Then you're going to just glue the twine in a circle and just keep gluing until you reach the end. Your coaster should look something like this, and if you have any flyaways, you can take your scissors and cut them off. I'm just going to dust away all of these flyaways from my twine, and my coaster is kind of small, as you can see from a coaster I made a year ago, link in description box by the way. If you have a small mug, I guess you can use it. The last DIY is a wrapped and painted jar, so what you'll need is a glass jar, some twine, acrylic paint, a flat brush, some scissors, a hot glue gun, as well as some hot glue, as well as a cotton pad and some nail polish remover to remove the label. So I'm just going to soak the cotton pad in some nail polish remover. Then I'm just going to rub the label off. I ended up using 4 cotton pads because this label did not want to come off. So 30 minutes later I finally got the glass clean, but it kind of hurt my thumb, not gonna lie. Anyways, you're gonna start. So you're gonna start by flipping your glass around, hot gluing the center, then putting your twine, and you're just going to glue the twine around the glass till it reaches about halfway. Once your glass looks something like this, you can take your scissors and cut away all the flyaways. Once you finish cutting away all the flyaways, I'm going to grab my painting paper. I'm going to mix the paint here. You can also mix your paint on a palette, but I was kind of lazy, so yeah. Now I'm going to grab my paint. I had some at the end of my brush for mixing, and I'm going to only paint half of the twine as well as the bottom. Once you finish painting, you're just going to leave it upside down to dry, and here it is. I left it overnight because the paint didn't want to dry, and I don't really like how it looks. Maybe I should have used fabric paint, but I guess it's the best that acrylic can get. This is the end of the video. If you guys did like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Let me know how you feel. Really want to get your opinion. So if you have any feedback, comments, or suggestions, make sure to do so in the comment section down below. And if you are new, as I've said in the beginning of this video, consider subscribing. Join the kawaii family. And I'll hopefully see you guys in my next video. So don't forget to be kind and be kawaii. Bye!